I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites and taking immediate action. No basic QA concepts, how to reproduce bugs, and clear reporting. Create accounts on app stores and a testing platform so you can access builds quickly. Once done, install a bug tracker and configure device emulators. This saves time and ensures consistent testing conditions. Make sure to gather at least one real phone and a tablet to validate touch gestures and orientation issues before moving to deeper test design steps. You now design and execute detailed test cases that cover functional flows, user interface nuances, and edge scenarios. This is where depth matters. Run automated scripts for repetitive paths while manually exploring unpredictable behavior, extract crash logs, and use network inspectors to see payloads and latency. Once you observe issues, prioritize based on severity, how often they reproduce, and who they affect. This helps developers triage. Make sure to link steps to reproduce and screenshots to speed resolution and avoid back-and-forth. You finalize by compiling concise bug reports that state environment, exact steps, and expected versus actual results. Include logs and short video clips when possible. After developers supply fixes, perform focused regression tests and only close tickets when behavior matches expectations. If things go wrong, isolate variables, reset app data, switch networks, and reproduce on another device to confirm. Make sure to attach relevant logs and a step-by-step replay so developers can fix the root cause without guesswork, keeping releases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.